Great for measuring and mixing only what is needed for your two-stroke engines. Ratio scale takes the guesswork out of mixing oil and gas. Complete with a 4-extension tube for ease of use. Safe and easy to use. Innovative and sturdy design. FloTool, by Hopkins Manufacturing, offers the most comprehensive and highest quality offering of fluid handling products. Driven by innovative, no-mess product solutions, whether you're changing your oil, topping off the antifreeze or checking all your automotive fluid levels, FloTool has the right application. FloTool's Mixmizer Injector is great for measuring and mixing only what is needed for your two-stroke engines. The ratio scale takes the guesswork out of mixing oil and gas. Complete with a 4-extension tube for ease of use. Top reviews from the United States. Good price. Better price than my local tractor supply store. I've purchased this before, so I knew what to expect. I'm happy with this purchase. I'll be using it to swap my power steering fluid. In the past I've used one for changing the diamond drive fluid on an Arctic-Cat snowmobile. This device measures up to 2 ounces of fluid per fill.